Hi there, Melody from WTI. No, I am not doing wrist exercises, and no, I am not a hand model, but I want to show off my gorgeous vintage watch band for my Versa Fitbit. I love the little package in here that tells you it's been handmade, so it's going to be unique to you. It has everything you need in here, including the directions and your little pegs in order to adjust your band size. I love this band. I love how the first base of it is leather. So you know it's going to last you a very long time. It's not going to break apart easy. I loved how this was super easy to change too. You can put your charger here and it's not going to interfere. You don't have to take the band off to charge your Fitbit. This particular one is classic black. It comes in different colors, but I like this one so it can go with all my different outfits. So these Versa Fitbits don't require just the leather activewear. You can also have ones like this. They are so pretty, so awesome. Even my teenage daughter commented on it. I know. So if you're looking for one, get this one. I love it and I know you will too. And that's my point of view.